Hey guys, it's Code back at 64 here, and today I'm doing another video. What I'm doing right now is I'm just loading up my Roblox studio. If you have not told about the thumbnail, this is how to make your own custom knife. It's really easy, really simple, and really easy. So, I know I just said that, but whatever. My Roblox studio just needs to upload, and when I get it, I will be right back. Okay, we are back, and these are one of the knives I've actually made. I made a murder simulator knife. I made one for my friend called Saki Alex. I made a striped red, white, and blue one. I made a moon phase one, and I've also made a tides one. Now, to make a knife like this, you just need to get your own knife. You need to type in knife and get like on default knife up there, or like I usually do, I just copy and paste it like that. Whoa. Okay, so after you do that, I'm gonna get rid of this decal real quick, and then you wanna open up any type of thing you have. Like, let's say you had Wix or Paint.net or Photoshop. Any of those things work. Any of them work. You see, a website template works. Fortor. I like to use Paint.net because it's actually one of the closest things to Photoshop, but yeah, Photoshop actually costs money, so I don't have it. But this is kind of simple and kind of same thing. So what you want to do is when you open up your thing, like when you open up your Paint.net, whatever your editing thing, you want to get a knife template. I will link it down in the description, but to find it, just type in knife template. And you can type in MM2, or you can type in Roblox. If you type in Roblox, it'll show the same thing. It'll show like a default knife, and sometimes it'll actually show other knives like see, like it'll show like these things, and no, these ones are not the thing. Just get the normal one like right here. You see this one right here? You're gonna right click it, and then you're gonna save image as, and put it inside your folder. And then after you do that, go to Paint.net or whatever you have or whatever you do, and then scroll down and keep scrolling down until you find it. Obviously, mine should be around somewhere around here. Where is it? Right there. All right, template knife, and then it should pop up right about there. Okay, so whenever you draw on this knife, whatever you draw is going to go on the knife. Okay, so whatever you draw, whatever you put or anything is going to go on there. So I think I'll use my paint bucket real quick, and I'm gonna make this a I'll make a seating knife because I'm actually a fan of seating. I'm gonna do this is gonna be orange. Oh jeez. Okay, that was not good. Okay, let me go back real quick. Alright, so why is he doing that? I don't want to do that. Just want to keep doing that, cause like, oh, okay, I get it now. Alright, I want to color in this. I want to color in this part, but I guess that won't work. So I guess that's not gonna work. What else can I use? I can use let's see what else we got over here. You can actually do anything. Like I said, whatever you put from here onto here will go on it, and that's what your knife will look like. So like I said, I want to make like a seating knife, so I want to go here. You actually can use pictures, like let's see this thunder. Hopefully it doesn't. Yep, it's gonna show up the song. We're gonna use seating. Seating. It's actually C-Dank is what his Roblox name is. Yeah. Alright, it's not gonna show me one, is it? No, it doesn't really show me one. I'm just gonna go with the one I did earlier. The one I saw earlier. Where is it? It should be right here. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. Save image as. Save, blah blah blah. And then go back to Paint.net. And then after that, file. And then, wait a minute, I think I did that wrong. No, Ma, you don't have to do that. Oh my gosh, why did I do that? All you do is just copy image, and then after you copy it, this won't work on a lot of things, but on Paint.net actually will. So I paste it in there. There we go. I'm gonna resize it. like this. If you ever put the thing like a little bit onto the silver thing, don't worry about it. But it doesn't matter if it goes off the map or not. Either way, it still works. But remember, thinking of this sideways. Remember, this knife is sideways, and if we think about it, if we look at it sideways, it's actually going to be straight thunderbolt. So that's what that's going to look like. And we're going to our tools. Now can we use our paint bucket? So I kind of want to make this orange. There we go. Now we go. And then I think the thunderbolt should just be regular thunder. Okay, so now that we got that, which is actually pretty good, now we're gonna do a text. We're gonna do a text real quick. And where's the text? Where's the text? Oh, you can just type it? That's actually pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna do C Dink, caps lock C Dink. You can't see it right now because I think it's black. You can't see it, can you? I'm not even typing. Wait, what? I'm not even typing anything. I guess the text won't work? Unless it will. I don't know, I wonder if I can actually draw with a paintbrush. With a pencil. It's still... What? It shows up on this, but it won't show up on the other one. On the other thing. This is kind of weird. Oh, because I still have that clicked on. That's probably why. I don't want to get clicked on. I don't want to keep staying on that. Alright, that's just gonna be there. I think I put finish. I don't know. I haven't did this in a while because I've mostly been using the other ones, and I really haven't been trying to do a lot of these things a lot. But it actually is pretty cool. So I'll be back when I finish this seating knife. Alright guys, I have finished my template making. It doesn't look that good because I was pretty in a rush. But let's see how it looks. So we're gonna take our knife. We're gonna insert object, insert a decal. Here's that, or decal, whatever you want to call it, and then go to the texture, and then go all the way down to add image. Or if you don't have any images, just go to it should be at the top. So then you want to scroll down, and then it should show up at the bottom if you have a lot of stuff like mine. And then it should be around right here. There we go. And then I'm gonna open that, and then let's see how it looks. Ooh, that looks pretty good. I actually like that. As you guys can see, it actually looks like the knife that I actually made, and it says seed ink on it on the bottom, and it looks pretty cool. So I think that will actually be a really cool knife for my game. The game's actually working out pretty good. If you guys ever wanna try, it's called Murder Simulator. Oh no! I put simulator twice. I gotta go fix that, but you guys like and subscribe to this video. I'm sorry for not uploading in a while, or like not uploading in a while, which kind of sucks. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.